Hello friends, I'm Chirant and I'm connecting you from Delhi. I have been teaching environment, ecology, science and technology in Delhi for past 10 plus years, and I have a record of more than 70 to 80% reflection of topics in civil service examinations from my class in the previous years. So I am coming to your city for RAO'S Academy for competitive examinations for this wonderful crash course that they have designed for you, and this crash course is going to benefit you immensely, and irrespective of whatever the stage of preparation you are in or whatever the level of preparation you are in, it's going to benefit you a lot. It is a only essence and no nonsense course, and you will benefit a lot from this course in a very short period of time. So see you soon. Thank you.